Welcome back to Venom Motorsports. Today we got with us the Venom Mini-125. This is a street legal mini motorcycle. You got your LED headlight in the front, your 10-inch knobby wheels with hydraulic disc braking system. This is your foot brake, your foot pegs, and you have a backup Kickstarter. In case your battery ever runs out, you can still kickstart it. This is your passenger foot peg, so this makes it a two-seater. In case you ever plan to do some deliveries with the bike, you have your delivery rack in the back. You can attach a cargo box and work away. To turn it on, you got to turn the key right down here. You got your digital dash with your gear indicator. Turn it on, put the kill switch in the on position on the right side, press the power button, give it some gas. Doesn't sound too bad for a 125. Oh yeah. You got your high beams, low beams, your signal lights, and your horn. Alright, let's turn it off. And there you got it, guys. This is the Venom Mini-125 4-speed semi-automatic transmission, which means there's no clutch. Just change the gear with no clutch. Very easy learning bike, guys. Venom Mini-125.